Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can use Clearpay. If you want to use a Clearpay, then it is a service that is provided by Afterpay. So open up a Play Store and then on the search box type in Clearpay and you'll be able to find the application. In my case, the following application is not available, so you'll not be able to find it. So once you're done installing the application, then log in into your account. In my case, I'm using a web browser, so just go ahead and tap on the sign up button, and that's going to take you to the other page where you can just create your account by entering the following information. As you can see that the following application is not available in the reason, so I'm unable to show you the further procedure as well. So I'm just going to instruct you. So go ahead and create your account. After you've done creating your account, you need to provide in your personal details, your contact information, all sort of information, and then you'll be able to use your Clearpay once you're done creating your account. So that's basically how you can use Clearpay. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.